Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add social media quick action button for mobile layout in Wix. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor and we are going to add social media button on Wix mobile. On top you see switch to mobile, so click on it. So we are in mobile layout. On left side you see mobile 2, so click on it. And then you see quick action bar. Let visitor take action on your site fast. And then you see plus add to site, so click on it. So we are going to add social media icons. And then you see setup quick action. So we are going to delete phone and email. Then we are going to add social media. Now you see Facebook. So click on it. Then you see setup. If you want, you can rename it. So click on setup. So you can add Facebook address or URL. So we are going to add link. So you can add your Facebook link and then click on done. And then you see more action. So click on it. Now you see multiple option. Now you see TikTok, Twitter, Vimeo, VK, LinkedIn, Instagram. So you can add according to requirement. So we are going to add Twitter. Now you see edit. Again you see setup, rename, remove. So click on setup. So you can add X Twitter account URL. Now you see and then click on done. So in this way you can add social media links according to requirement. Now you see. So if you want you can add YouTube, line. So we added. And then you see settings. So click on it. If you want to show label, yes. Now you see label show. If you want to hide, no. Now you see label hide. And then you see design. So click on it. Now you see action bar design. Now you see multiple design. So you can add design according to requirement. Now you see. And if you want you can customize design. So click on it. Now you see fill color and opacity, color scheme. Now you see border, shadow. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now close. So this is our layout. And then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to mobile layout and refresh the page. So we are in mobile layout and then you see social media links or button on mobile layout only. When we scroll up and down, still you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.